Alright, let's check the number 2. If 9 raised to the power 2x minus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2x all divided by 27 raised to the power x minus 1, which all equals 1, we are finding the value of what? X. This is just indices which we need to break into the same base. So if I am dealing with this as 9 exponent 2x minus 1 times 3 exponent 2x all divided by 27 exponent x minus 1 equals to 1. What I need is to write all these bases in the smallest one, which is the base of 3. So 3 times 3 give me 9. 3 times 3 times 3 give me 27. So I break them down to have 3 exponent 2 representing the 9. Then the 9 already have a power of 2x minus 1 times 3 exponent of 2x. Breaking the 27 to the base of 3, give me 3 exponent 3, which also carried the power of what? X minus 1 equals to 1. 1 must also be in the same base of 3. So that will give me equals to base of 3 exponent 0, which still represent the 1. What do we do? The laws of indices, as we multiply, we add the base. So this implies that 3 exponent of this is going to be 4x minus 2 plus. This is multiplication. So we have what? 2x divided by the 3 exponent of 3x minus 3 equals what? 3 exponent 0. What do? I can see that this is the same base as we divide, so I am going to perform subtraction of the powers. So this implies that 3 exponent of, remember 4x plus 4x will give you 6x, then minus 2 minus here as 3x minus 3 all equals to 3 exponent what? 0. Since this is a, I can easily equate the exponent leaving the base behind, and this will be giving me 6x minus 2. This is minus 3x plus 3 all equals to 0. The base are the same, so the exponent could also be the same. So 6 minus 3 will give us 3x. Then we have minus 2 plus 3, that is going to be plus 1, all equals to 0. What do we need? It is the x we are looking for. So this becomes 3x equals to negative 1, which when we divide by 3, your x will be negative 1 on 3. Let's check the option. Which one is going to be? Is going to be the option number B. Thanks for watching. Let's come back for question 3.